Welcome, fellow space enthusiasts, to The Cosmic Commute, where we journey through the wonders of the cosmos. Today, prepare to be astounded as we delve into the awe-inspiring power of supernovas. Join us as we embark on a voyage beyond imagination. Imagine a star, a titanic inferno of hydrogen and helium, burning fiercely for millions or even billions of years. But as it exhausts its nuclear fuel, this celestial giant faces an inevitable fate. Slowly, inexorably, gravity begins to win its age-old battle against the outward pressure of nuclear fusion. The star's core collapses under its own weight, triggering a cascade of cataclysmic events. This is the birth of a supernova, a cosmic spectacle that defies comprehension. As the core collapses, temperatures soar to unimaginable heights, reaching billions of degrees Celsius. In a fraction of a second, a shockwave races through the star, tearing it apart from within. The outer layers are blasted into space at speeds approaching a tenth of the speed of light, while the core collapses further, becoming an incredibly dense neutron star or, in some cases, a black hole. The explosion is so powerful that for a brief moment, the dying star outshines an entire galaxy, casting its brilliance across the cosmos. The shockwave carries with it the remnants of the star, seeding the surrounding space with elements forged in the fiery heart of the supernova. This is the genesis of cosmic alchemy, where the raw materials of the universe are forged in the crucible of stellar death. Thus begins the epic tale of the power of supernovas, a tale that stretches across the vast expanse of space and time. The birth of a supernova is a spectacle that begins long before the star's ultimate demise. For millions of years, massive stars, those with at least 8 times the mass of our sun, burn bright and fierce, radiating heat and light into the cosmos. But within the heart of these titans, a delicate balance exists between gravity, which seeks to crush the star, and nuclear fusion, which fights to keep it aloft. As the star consumes its nuclear fuel, its core gradually contracts, becoming hotter and denser. Eventually, the core runs out of fuel to sustain fusion reactions, leading to a catastrophic collapse. In a fraction of a second, the core implodes, sending shock waves rippling through the star's outer layers. The outer layers of the star, now stripped of their support, hurtle outward in a spectacular explosion, while the core collapses even further under its own gravity. In some cases, this collapse is halted by the pressure of neutrons, forming a neutron star, a city-sized object with a mass greater than that of our sun. In other cases, the collapse continues unchecked, leading to the formation of a black hole, a region of space where gravity is so intense that not even light can escape its grasp. The explosion of a supernova is a cosmic crescendo, a symphony of destruction and creation that reverberates through the cosmos. It is a testament to the immense forces at play in the universe, forces that shape the destiny of stars and galaxies alike. And yet, amidst the chaos and violence of a supernova, there is also beauty and wonder as the remnants of the star are scattered across the heavens, seeding the birth of new stars and planets. Indeed, the birth of a supernova marks not an end, but a new beginning, a chapter in the ongoing saga of cosmic evolution. As we gaze upon the remnants of these stellar explosions, we are reminded of the profound interconnectedness of all things in the universe, from the smallest atom to the largest galaxy, and we are humbled by the sheer scale and majesty of the cosmos, a realm where even the most ordinary of stars can become cosmic titans in their final moments. The power unleashed during a supernova is nothing short of staggering, a cosmic fireworks display that defies comprehension. In the blink of an eye, a single supernova can emit more energy than our sun will radiate in its entire lifetime. To put this into perspective, imagine the energy produced by billions of nuclear bombs detonating simultaneously. The explosion of a supernova releases an immense burst of radiation across the electromagnetic spectrum, from gamma rays to radio waves. This flood of energy illuminates the surrounding space, turning night into day across vast swaths of the cosmos. For a brief moment, the dying star becomes the brightest object in the universe, outshining entire galaxies with its brilliance. But the true power of a supernova lies not just in its luminosity, but in its ability to shape the very fabric of the universe. The shockwave produced by the explosion races outward at speeds approaching a tenth of the speed of light, sweeping up interstellar gas and dust in its path. These materials are heated to temperatures of millions of degrees, triggering the formation of new stars and planets in the crucible of the shockwave. The remnants of the supernova, known as a supernova remnant, continue to expand outward into space, leaving behind a trail of destruction and creation in their wake. These remnants are rich in heavy elements forged in the heart of the dying star. Elements like oxygen, carbon, and iron, that will one day become the building blocks of new worlds. And yet, for all its power and majesty, a supernova is ultimately a fleeting moment in the grand tapestry of cosmic history. In the aftermath of the explosion, the remnants of the star are scattered across the heavens, joining the vast cosmic dance of stars and galaxies. And as we gaze upon the remnants of these celestial titans, we are reminded of the immense forces at play in the universe, forces that shape the destiny of worlds and civilizations alike. Supernovas are not only cosmic spectacles of destruction and power, they are also the elemental forges of the universe, where the raw materials of life itself are forged in the fiery crucible of stellar death. Within the intense heat and pressure of a supernova explosion, the building blocks of the cosmos are synthesized, transforming ordinary atoms into the elements that make up our world. As the shockwave from the supernova expands outward into space, it carries with it a rich payload of heavy elements like oxygen, carbon, and iron, that were forged in the core of the dying star. These elements are dispersed into the interstellar medium, where they become the seeds of future stars and planets. But the story doesn't end there. Over millions of years, these newly formed stars and planets coalesce from the remnants of the supernova, incorporating the heavy elements into their composition. On some of these worlds, the conditions are just right for life to take hold, and the elements forged in the heart of a dying star become the building blocks of living organisms. Indeed, every atom in our bodies, every molecule in the air we breathe, can trace its origins back to the fiery death of a massive star. We are quite literally stardust, made of the same cosmic stuff that once fueled the fires of the heavens. And so, as we contemplate the awesome power of supernovas, let us also marvel at their role in the grand drama of cosmic evolution. From the death of stars comes life, and from destruction comes creation, a timeless cycle that binds us all together in the vast expanse of the universe. Beyond their role as elemental forges, supernovas are integral players in the cosmic cycle of life and death, perpetuating the ongoing dance of creation and destruction that shapes the universe. The shockwaves from these titanic explosions reverberate through the interstellar medium, triggering a cascade of events that ripple across the cosmos. One of the most profound consequences of a supernova explosion is the formation of new stars. The shockwave compresses clouds of gas and dust, causing them to collapse under their own gravity. Within these collapsing clouds, new stars are born, their cores ignited by the intense heat and pressure generated by the shockwave. But the impact of a supernova extends far beyond the birth of new stars. The energy released by the explosion also fuels the expansion of galaxies, driving the ongoing evolution of the cosmic landscape. As the shockwave sweeps through the interstellar medium, it creates regions of intense star formation known as stellar nurseries, where thousands of new stars are born. In addition to birthing new stars, supernovas also play a crucial role in enriching the interstellar medium with heavy elements. The remnants of the explosion, known as supernova remnants, contain a rich mix of elements forged in the heart of the dying star. These elements are dispersed into the surrounding space, where they become incorporated into new stars, planets, and even living organisms. But perhaps the most astonishing aspect of supernovas is their ability to bridge the gap between the cosmic and the mundane. From the death throes of massive stars comes the birth of new worlds, each one a testament to the creative power of the universe. And as we gaze upon the remnants of these celestial explosions, we are reminded of our own place in the vast tapestry of cosmic evolution. A tiny speck in the grandeur of the cosmos, yet intimately connected to its most majestic phenomena. In the end, supernovas are not just celestial fireworks. They are the engines of cosmic change, driving the ongoing evolution of the universe and shaping the destiny of worlds. And as we continue to explore the mysteries of the cosmos, let us never forget the profound influence of these stellar giants on the fabric of reality itself. The power of supernovas transcends our wildest imaginations, captivating our minds and igniting our curiosity about the mysteries of the cosmos. These celestial explosions, born from the death throes of massive stars, serve as cosmic beacons, illuminating the darkness of space with their transcendent beauty. As we reflect on the sheer magnitude of a supernova, we are humbled by the immense forces at play in the universe. The energy released during these titanic explosions is unfathomable, dwarfing even the most powerful events on Earth. Yet, amidst the chaos and violence of a supernova, there is also beauty and wonder, a reminder of the delicate balance between creation and destruction that defines the cosmos. But perhaps the most astonishing aspect of supernovas is their role in the grand tapestry of cosmic evolution. These stellar explosions are not just isolated events, they are part of a larger cycle of birth, death and rebirth that spans billions of years. From the death of massive stars comes the birth of new worlds, each one a testament to the creative power of the universe. And as we gaze upon the remnants of these cosmic giants, we are reminded of our own place in the cosmos. We are but fleeting inhabitants of a vast and wondrous universe, shaped by the same forces that govern the stars themselves. In the end, supernovas are not just distant phenomena, they are a reflection of our own existence, a reminder of the interconnectedness of all things in the grand tapestry of cosmic evolution. So let us continue to marvel at the power of supernovas, to explore the mysteries of the cosmos, and to seek answers to the questions that have captivated humanity for centuries. For in the study of supernovas, we glimpse not only the secrets of the universe, but also the boundless potential of the human spirit. And as we journey ever deeper into the cosmos, may we never lose sight of the wonder and awe that surround us, always reminding us of the infinite possibilities that lie beyond the stars. Thank you for joining us on this cosmic journey. Stay tuned for more celestial adventures on the Cosmic Commute. Until next time, keep your eyes on the stars and your imagination soaring. Safe travels through the cosmos, fellow space enthusiasts.